Welcome to my channel. For this first project, I'll be transforming this snowman head by removing its original hat and replacing it with a more glamorous, eye-catching one, giving it a whole new different festive look. And this hat that you see here is from Dollar Tree Find several years ago. I'll be giving this piece a fresh look. I'm gonna update the look by changing the ribbon, adding some floral and some other embellishments, and I'm going to be transforming this into a beautiful Christmas ornament. Today's another open collaboration, recreation inspiration, and it is being hosted by Loli's Creations along with Katie, Lady Ray Crafting, and the guest host is Merrily Lisa. I'm going to be leaving the links down below in the description box along with a playlist. Please make sure to go ahead and visit them, give them a lots of love by subscribing, sharing, and liking. These talented creators are amazing. They have a lot more inspiration. In this collaboration, we'll recreate another creator's project, crediting their talent while adding our own unique twist. I was inspired today by DIY Struggle with Brandy. She is so funny and talented. I was truly inspired by her. Make sure to visit her channel and let her know that I sent you. And now I'm continuing to embellish this beautiful hat. I'm removing the wire piece from the berries, and I'm gonna go ahead and start adhering this with some hot glue. And now it looks nice and fresh with this new look. So let's go ahead and take that snowman head and start adhering it to the hat. This is turning out so beautiful. I think this is my favorite project from this video. Let me know in the comments section which is your favorite. And now I'm going to be creating the neck of the snowman, and I'm also going to be creating the scarf with this beautiful ribbon. You could also find these items at Dollar Tree. Once it's done, then I'll go ahead with more hot glue. I'll glue it to the head. And off camera, I also added some red berries to the scarf. And with the same ribbon, I'm going to be creating the hook to hang it up on the Christmas tree. And this will be it for this beautiful snowman. I am so in love with this. This snowman turned out beautifully and exceeded my expectations. It's amazing to see how far it came from the beginning. Let me know your thoughts in the comments section. For this second project, I'm going to be using this acrylic silver paint, and I painted 4 bamboo sticks. And you can find this canvas at Dollar Tree. Once they were dry, then I'm going to be cutting them, and of course, plenty of hot glue, and I'm going to be placing them on all 4 corners. So moving along, I'm going to put this canvas to the side, and I also purchased this beautiful tree from Dollar General for $1. I mean, it was much cheaper than buying it at Dollar Tree, of course, by a quarter. So I have these wood blocks and I'm placing them here and there, and then this is going to allow me to place it right on top of the canvas. And I also have some fairy lights that I'm going to be intertwining on the back of this tree. And look at this tree. This tree is so gorgeous that I did absolutely nothing to it because I thought it was absolutely stunning the way it is. And now I'm adding the fairy lights like I told you before, and this will be it. I hope you enjoy it, and if you did, don't forget to give me that big thumbs up. For this next project, I'm gonna continue to use the same bamboo sticks with the same acrylic silver paint. I ran out of pencil. As you see, I'm mixing white with black and I mashed the color that I wanted. I'm gonna be using another canvas and the same procedure. After these bamboo sticks were completely dry, I measured it, cut them to size, and with some hot glue, I placed them on all four corners. This beautiful angel ornament, I'm not sure where I got it. I think I got it at Dollar General as well. And of course, I am going to be highly distressing it with white chalk paint. And then I'm going to be placing it on top of that canvas. This project is absolutely stunning. I am really in love with this, and you can place this in any corner of your home. Believe it or not, I have it in one of my small walls in the kitchen, and it looks absolutely amazing. And as you can see, I already added the little wood blocks, and now with more hot glue, I am going to be placing it on top of that canvas. And look at how absolutely stunning this is. I also have a beautiful ribbon, and I'm going to be creating a bow. I'm also going to be tucking the tails, and with more hot glue, I'm going to be gluing it right above the angel. I have some greenery from the bottom of my stash. I will be doing the same thing, some hot glue, and placing it right above the angel. And this is stunning. I am really liking this project. And by the way, I thought this greenery needed some flocking, so that's exactly what I'm doing. I'm taking it apart and using some that white linen chalk paint, and once it's dry, then I'm going to be gluing it like I said before with plenty of hot glue. I will be placing it around the bow, and this will be it, my dear friends. I also have some of these glittery foam balls from Dollar Tree. I'm going to be placing 2 of them right on top of the bowl with some hot glue. Well, my dear friends, let me know what you think in the comment section. I hope you enjoy it. This snowflake is from Dollar Tree, and it came in, I think it was like 4 or 5 of them, and it was a garland. So let's go ahead and cover these holes here with some of this spackle. And I'll be using the same silver paint. I'm gonna give it one heavy coat. And the bamboos, I cut them to size and I put them on the frame, the canvas I should say. And now with the hot glue, I'm gonna go ahead and attach both of these pieces together. I also have a little rhinestone. I'm going to be placing it right in the middle of this beautiful snowflake. And then this will be it for this project. I hope you have enjoyed these projects so far. If you have, don't forget to give me that big thumbs up. You know, it does help my channel. And it is that time of the year where we are going to be using glitter. These two birds, I found them at Dollar Tree and it comes 4 in a package. I am taking both of them and I am gluing them side by side. And then of course I'm going to come in and start embellishing them with the same ribbon, some greenery and some berries. This is going to be turning out absolutely gorgeous and I am creating another ornament. We don't want this to fall apart, so I'm going to go ahead and reinforce it with more hot glue. I think these are absolutely gorgeous. And of course, like I said before, I'm going to be adding some berries. And for the hook to hang it on the tree, I did something different. I got this wired glittery decorative piece that I found in the bottom of my stash. You'll see what I'm talking about in a few seconds. But in the meantime, I also want to thank you for stopping by, especially if you are visiting me from one of the other channels. I hope that you consider subscribing and joining our wonderful community. Your support means the world to me, and I truly appreciate every single one of you. And this is the glittery piece that I found at the bottom of my stash. If you know what this is called, let me know in the comment section. And this greenery also from the bottom of my stash. Like I said before, this is gonna go under the bowl. Then this will be it for this project. I hope you enjoy it, and here is the final reveal. Using Jingle blocks, I created 2 sets of 4 and I glue them just like you see here with some hot glue. And then with more hot glue, I'm going to be joining both of them together, creating a beautiful Christmas tree, and this will be another ornament. And then I'm taking some more Jingle blocks and I'm gluing them side by side. And then I cut a piece of the 3rd Jingle block because I thought it was a little bit too large for the tree. I'm going to continue to form the tree. And on the ends where the Jingle blocks meet, I'm going to make sure that I add plenty of hot glue. And now it's time to paint this tree. I'll be using Waverly chalk paint and the color is celery. I will apply 1 single even coat. And of course, what's a tree without a star? I'm using this acrylic silver paint and I'll be giving it as well 1 single coat front and back. Let's go ahead and glue that star to the tree. And these little bitty trees, also from Dollar Tree, I'm sure that you guys have seen it. They have them every single year. I'm gonna go ahead and flock all 3 of them, and then with more hot glue, because that's what we do on this channel. We use a lot of hot glue. We're gonna be gluing them to the bottom of that beautiful wooden tree. But before I glue the trees, I'm gonna go ahead and distress this beautiful ornament as well. Now that this ornament is complete, it's time to create a way to hang it on the tree. Using this beautiful ribbon, I'll cut a piece, attach it to the ornament with glue, and we will be ready to display it. For our for following inspiration, I'm going to be using this wood round, and I am going to be giving it one coat with this metallic silver paint. Once this is done, then I'll put it to the side, and I'm going to be doing the same thing but with white chalk paint to the deer and also this wooden block. Now that the wood round is completely dry, I'm coming back with white chalk paint to distress the entire border for a beautiful age look. Now that everything is ready, it's time to assemble all these pieces and glue them together to create a beautiful ornament. Using this pipe cleaner, I'll create the necklace for the reindeer ornament and the hook to hang it up on the tree. Once ready, we can go ahead and display this beautiful creation. Let me know in the comment sections below your thoughts. Next project, I'll be using this wood plaque, painting it with a single coat of white chalk paint to give it a fresh, clean look. Now that the plaque is completely dry, I'll set it aside. Next, I'll paint these 3 beautiful bells with a coat of silver acrylic paint, and then I'll distress the plaque to add some character. Once this project is completed, I'll add some ribbon and other embellishments for a finished touch. I also want to take the moment to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. To my amazing subscribers, I wouldn't be here without you. And thank you so much for your constant support. If you are visiting me from another platform and you haven't subscribed yet, I would love for you to consider joining our community by subscribing. Your support means the world to me. Don't forget to like and share, and check out the playlist down below for more inspiration. These creators are absolutely so talented. I also want to give a shout out to Loli and Katie for putting this playlist together every month. On this channel, I share how to create stunning budget-friendly projects using bargains from garage sales, thrift stores, Dollar Tree, and more. I also love to add a touch of glamorous to my DIYs. If this sounds like something you enjoy, be sure to subscribe before you go. Now let's dive into the final review. I hope you love it.